You gotta love about Trachycarpus palm trees in this climate, folks, is they do grow year-round. You know, so during the coldest blasts, they're not going to grow. They slow down, but this is the one we moved here early April 2021, and really hasn't skipped a beat. It slowed down after the transplant, but then it started actually growing again. It's opening fronds. We're past the 3rd week of January here, and this was one of my babies I sold a customer years ago, and it just got too big for its britches beside her place. She didn't like it rubbing up against the eaves of her house, the fronds. So we dug her out and put her here, and it's doing very well. Like I said, $5 hole for $1 plant, and it's growing, man. See the fronds opening here. It's you know, with weather like this too, it's been above normal temperatures now for January, and the cold is long behind us, I hope, for the rest of winter. So anyway, we'll stay tuned for an update on that. I kept it watered every single day. Every day I kept that watered after the transplant, and put some good soil in it, and some transplanter liquid 515-5 root booster, and it did very well. So that's a Trachycarpus fortunei that grow year-round here on Salt Spring Island. They're great palm trees, good arborescent palm trees, and it's going to keep on getting taller too. Thanks for watching. Cheers.